Saan na?
Yay! Hey! Iyan muna siya. Mami, sumisiksik lang her egg. Letter C.
C4?
Heart.
Ha? C4? No, C4?
Cat.
Good job.
D for daddy.
Good job.
A for America.
Good job.
O is for orange.
Good job.
After sorry na.
Sabihin na ito bahagi ng Pilipinas, pagprobinsya ng taon-taon. Ang mga beach, puting-puti ang buhangin at crystal clear at tubig. Gaya na nandito sa Turtle Island.
Okay.
Nag-almusal ka, te?
Sabi no, simula tinanim ko yan, walang katanggal-tanggal yung bulaklak niya, no? Kaya ano ko sa pinag-aramin. Diba? Tinanim ko, nagtanggal yung bulaklak niya.
Namumulaklak pa rin siya.
Pag naulan din.
Pinipitasan pa ni Giselle yan. Pinipitasan ni Giselle pa yan eh. Pinipitasan, nagpipik ka. Yung flower, di ba? Ibig sabihin, pinipitasan mo pa yung flower, namumulaklak pa rin siya.
May sinasabi nga ako, mag-grow pa kayo.
Good job. Kaya pala. Te, may sinasabi daw pala si Giselle habang pinipitasan niya yan. May sinasabi si Giselle habang pinipitasan niya yan. Sabi niya mag-grow pa kayo. Kaya pala eh. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo magpapaalam mo sa kanya na para di magtampo na.
Mama, oh.
It's okay. Kumakain ka pa naman eh. Mamaya tayo maglinis. Wow, cheers.
Yummy!
Good job.
On the other hand, three-time NBA MVP waited 4 minutes to get up his first shot. Posted for him, and Jokic just ended up surveying of what the defense would do here.
Gabi ah.
Sit out his back. That moves number 55 out.
Mama, huwag natin siya kaya yung liches.
Oh, don't talk when your mouth is full.
Ha?
Don't talk when your mouth is full.
Saan mo kaya ate Agnes?
But Şengül has the ball in his hands. Turkey should flow into an empty corner pick here, but Osman is denied.
Nakahiya naman, ako bang tulog pa ako.
Shot here. And I'm not sure if he should be
Huwag ka na mahihiya. Ba't nasusulan mo yun?
Şengül needed just one big shot to get the crowd
Nakapang tulog ka na.
for him. I mean, I just love his FIBA athletes.
Ito na yung suot ko talaga.
Ito yung din yung suot talaga.
Literally next possession down is another big block from Turkey.
Hindi
Serbia.
na ako nakapagpalit kagabi ng pantulog.
Oo nga.
Şengül does not send it to the corner for another screen as this matchup definitely feels personal for him. You might think,
Butang gusto mo kumain ako ng umula.
just look at this next
There's a 1x. What do you like?
and outward is quick, strong, using the low weight point to his advantage. Later, Turkey has set play don't produce anything, so it's Larkin and Şengül on the side. Serbia again employ the same weak hand defense, and the best weapon against it, pick and pop, and the deep
Natawa ka pa rin sa akin.
serve upper end. It was 19-11 early at
Mama,
SBC.
paano ko
It's all
naman?
about Turkey and Şengül, while Jokic was passing out
Lagi
more and did not
nakikiti
seem
ako.
as engaged as his direct
Ayusin mo hair mo.
You are engaged.
Awa naman. Ay, may ubo. Awa naman.
We are covering NBA players
Sad
and
ka?
teams from a European perspective, and I don't
Hindi yan.
Give us a follow and turn on these notifications so we don't miss out on any upcoming content of ours. Going back to the video, elbow catch for the Serbian here, and while he seems to be scanning the right side of the board, he notices Osman deep inside the paint and throws this bullet pass to the opposite side. Petrushkin doesn't shoot but scores on a close-out drive, and to me, this cross-court no-look passes are probably the best part about Jokic's game. As both coaches started rotating players, it was time for both of these guys to cook against different opponents. Nikola got a transition
Kumusta tulog mo
cross last
kagabi?
year with Hudson Usman.
May
Too big,
dream
too strong,
ako.
can't really
You have a
expect
dream?
results if you don't double here. Shaquille's first stretch on the court lasted for
Anong dream mo?
14 minutes. Here he gets a cross screen and receives
Gusto ko po ng sabri.
and watch this beautiful
Sabi mo? Sa dream mo?
Shagun with his
Sabi mo sa dream mo?
should say eyebrows tells Osman to be
Talaga?
cut. What the big guy
naman?
knows is that he will drive left and
Wala.
the will come from the
Wala nga
baseline.
strawberry nga, hindi is tag-strawberry.
That's exactly what happens. And man, oh man, I do
Ano pa?
love watching Shagun and Jokic playing chess while
Mami,
everybody else was playing checkers.
Sabi mo, wag umalis? Ganyan sabi mo? Mm. Aalis talaga si mami, nag-work eh.
Mami,
Which player does this outlet pass remind you of? Don't make me say the name you already know.
Mami, Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse ba yan? Hindi bear?
Mickey Mouse.
Ah, Mickey Mouse pala. Kala ko bear.
Tinapin yan eh. Mickey Mouse.
Ah, okay.
How many threes does he actually have?
Mm.
Because
Yan, yan.
Serbian starter expected, but right back comes Nikola Jokic. He sets a player, and since Osman follows it over, Şengün has to protect the ball.
Maglilinis mamaya sa school si mami ha. Dito ka na.
Shootout, guys.
No.
Aba? Pumayag ka na sa kanya. Pumayag ka na kanina, di ba?
Needs it perfect. Serbia deny him from the
Mami, Miss Tita, bakit dati mami pinasama mo?
Eh, wala ka kasing kasama. Wala si Ate Judy nun.
and look at that silly and trash talk.
Hindi ka, baka maglikot ka kay Daddy. Wala, sinama kita. Next time na lang. Sama kita, ha? Madami pa ang time maglinis si mami dun. Hanggat nandun ka kay Teacher Hazel. Alternate ang paglilinis.
Mami, alam mo, mami, punta tayo.
Save more?
Paggabi,
Okay.
ay bibilang. Ikliwab,
Hmm.
Mami, ang sakit ang tanong ko.
Nothing was decided
Sakit
going
tanong ko.
Right at 76 or 7 minutes left, we see a
Di ka pa nga nakakainom ng ng chocolate mo. Masakit na yung tummy mo.
instead of going to screen on the side, and I did not know he had that in him. For Turkey, it was insane how many times she moves pick and pop work.
Hey.
Serbia's rotations here finally understand we can't allow them to breathe, but Turkey's spacing the lead, and Şengün finds the open team. And after the timeout, here they come again.
Kumusta ka sa school?
Now Şengün attacks.
Mabuti. Pero may nagkukulit sa amin. Si Gregor.
Grape group. Ang ginagawa?
This was easily the best
Di ko may kinikikit siya. Dalo lang lang yan.
Ay, ganun.
At nawala tuloy yung ID niya.
Ay, bakit?
Ay, ang likod niya eh.
Jokic and Şengün were not guarding each other in the clutch, and I lost.
What's that look?
Şengün just scored on a Serbians
Sino bang best friend mo sa school?
turnovers in the fast break.
Si Athena, tsaka si Princess Yuna, tsaka si Isabella. Dami akong friends eh.
Osman
Dami kang friends.
Şengün gets the offensive rebound over Jokic.
Mami,
Tries to post
Si Gia,
best friend ko nga. Di
best friend mo rin siya.
He then misses the first.
She's your old Beshi hanggang ngayon na
He has to grab another one over Jokic.
Beshi kayo hanggang
Bulldozes his way into
Di ko pa rin siya
paglaki. Ha?
Di ko pa rin siya makakalimutan.
Hindi mo siya makakalimutan. Siyempre, Beshi mo yun, baby ka pa lang eh. 3 years old ka pa lang. Beshi mo na yun.
down one. Şengün attacks him.
It's in your core memory na. Nasa core memory mo na yung pinagsamahan nyo ni Gia. Na,
play. He switches aggressively and uses his active hands to steal this ball at the victory.
Pag big girl na ako, kung nakalimutan ko na, ipaalam mo na.
Hindi mo makakalimutan yun, syempre.
Dominated the match.
Magpiprint tayo ng mga pictures ni Gia para lagi mo nakikita.
Looked like a major contender for the Eurobasket gold. So
Pangalan na lang.
don't forget to press like.
Si Sabria nga din eh, di ba? Nasa iyo yung pangalan. Di pa natin napapaprint yung picture niya.
Di ba nasa akin yung suot niya?
Ah. Nakip mo? Nasaan?
Hmm?
Nakip mo?
Hmm?
Nakip mo? Naalala mo kung saan mo nilagay? Eh. Wow.
Ano ba nangyayari?
May lamok. Ayan o. Ayan o.
Bakit ang hindi ako? Bakit ang hindi ako kumain?
Kasi, hindi ka kasi nagko-concentrate kumain, kaya mahina kang kumain. Pag lagi kang kain ng kain, tataba ka. Yun yung wish sa'yo ni Mami. Maging tumaba ka at saka maging healthy. Healthy. Yung healthy ka. Hem.
Okay na nga ako eh.
Yun yung wish ni Mami, maging healthy ka.
Mami, dapat ibang grade na si Cody eh. Kasi matangkad na nga.
Oo nga, matangkad nga si Cody, no? Nung daycare ka, siya yung Mr. UN, ikaw yung Miss United Nation. Nagtaka ako, ang
Sinabi
tangkad
ko
na
nga
niya.
eh, sinabi
Oo,
ko
matangkad na siya. Nung kinder pa lang, daycare pa lang. Ano ba yan?
Ano, kakating na ako? Ayoko na.
Yun na lang, konti na lang eh. Ano ba yan?
Bali ako.
Konti na lang eh. Ay, yung egg mo. Konti na lang. Sit
Mama,
down. May milk ka, may chocolate ka pa.
kala ko wala na eh.
Ay,
Sabi mo, Mama.
ayot yan.
Mama, send lang natin kay Ate Agnes. Hello. Hello. Oh,
Bye. Yung milk mo muna, chocolate.
Mami,
Chocolate.
ayan o.
Ayo nga no. Yung chocolate.
Hala, naugulog na ang ating cellphone.
Hindi naman.
Ayun nga eh.
Oo nga, baligtad lang yan. Naka-mirror kasi. Pag mirror kasi, di ba nagre-reflect?
Di bakit ako, Mami?
Sige na. That is a science. Nagre-reflect yung mirror doon. Bakit?
Bakit lasa?
Anong pangit lasa? Lagyan natin ng ano, ng ice.
Yay!
Yun o.
Ito, dinilaan ko.
Lo.
Kaya ko kasi lollipop eh.
Lollipop.
Go, go, go.
Mila. Tumulo na. Teka lang.
Wipes ako po.
Okay na muna yan. Eh, pinunas mo sa table. Tapos, pinunas mo sa sarili mo. Next time, bibig mo muna. Tapos, saka ang table.